Imagine this for a moment. You wake up to the soft sound of rain tapping on the roof, but you're warm, comfortable and wrapped inside your very own little luxury home on wheels. You slide open the rear doors, fresh mountain air rushes in, and within seconds, you're standing in a full-size shower, the kind you'd expect in a hotel suite, not in a campervan. And then, with just one touch, your 8-speed automatic gearbox takes you smoothly onto the road, ready for another day of adventure. This is not a dream. This is the 2026 Deathlefts Globetrail 600DS, one of the most exciting, compact campervans of the new model year. Today, we're taking a full tour inside and out, and trust me, by the end, you'll understand why this van is quickly becoming a favorite for travelers who want premium comfort without upsizing to a huge motorhome. The Globetrail 600DS is built for people who want freedom without limits. Couples, solo travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who wants the comfort of a home packed into a compact 6-meter van. It's made for real-life touring, mountain weekends, long road trips, coastal drives, or quiet nights completely off the grid. And like always, Deathlefts has added their signature touches. Those small details turn a normal campervan into something genuinely special. Let's begin with the outside. The 2026 Globetrail 600DS keeps the classic Deathlefts design clean, strong, modern lines, but with subtle refinements that make it feel more premium. The LED headlights give it a confident, upscale front look, the body graphics are sleeker, and the alloy wheels instantly add a sporty touring vibe. But the biggest upgrade for 2026 is the 8-speed automatic gearbox. No more manual shifting on long climbs or tight city roads. This new auto transmission is smoother, quieter, and way more comfortable for long-distance touring. It offers solid power and a stable drive, even when the van is fully loaded. Along the side, you get a large sliding door with a soft close feel, a sturdy integrated step, space for awning accessories, and wide-opening rear doors for ventilation and easy loading. Simple, functional, and well-balanced. But trust me, the real magic begins inside. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how open it feels. Deathlefts has always excelled in small space design, and this model is no exception. The layout of the 600DS is all about balance, a comfortable living area, a generous kitchen, smart storage, and the star of the show, that big bathroom. At the front, the driver and passenger seats swivel to create a cozy lounge area. The table is adjustable and perfect for two people dining, working on a laptop planning the next stop, or simply enjoying your morning coffee. The interior color scheme for 2026 feels warm, and modern light wood cabinets, matte finishes, and soft LED lighting create a calm, upscale atmosphere. Upper lockers, small pockets, hidden spaces, every part of this front lounge feels practical and well thought out. And because the insulation is strong, this seating area stays comfortable even in colder weather. Moving to the center, the kitchen is compact, but genuinely functional. You get a dual burner stove, a deep stainless steel sink, soft close drawers, a tall fridge positioned at an easy height, and a good amount of counter space with extensions. Multiple USB and 12V points make it travel-friendly. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or a full dinner, the setup makes everything smooth and comfortable. Again, nothing flashy, just premium, practical, and built for real travel. Now, the highlight of the entire 600DS layout, the full-size shower and bathroom. This is the part that shocks first-time buyers. In most 6-meter vans, the bathroom is tiny, something you accept, not something you enjoy. But in the 600DS, Deathlefts changed everything. When you slide open the door, you get a proper standing height shower with real elbow room. You can move comfortably, turn easily, and take a real shower just like at home. There's a solid partition to keep water contained, good lighting, and a modern toilet layout. It genuinely feels like a small hotel wet room. For long trips, winter camping, or off-grid travel, having a proper shower changes everything. This single feature makes the DS layout one of the most desirable in the entire Globetrail line. At the rear, you'll find the transverse bed, comfortable, supportive, and perfect for 2 adults. Under the bed, a spacious storage area can hold camping chairs, tools, luggage, outdoor gear, or even bicycles if the bed is lifted partially. Side windows bring in natural daylight, and soft LED reading lights create a peaceful nighttime environment. This is the kind of sleeping space that feels like home, not like a temporary setup. In terms of features, the Globetrail 600DS comes equipped with a strong heating system, good insulation for year-round touring, multiple charging points, LED ambient lighting, optional solar setups, a rear-view camera, and advanced safety systems. Everything is modern yet simple to use, no overcomplicated tech, just reliable gear that makes travel easier. So what makes the 600DS truly unique? A full-size hotel-style shower, extremely rare in a compact van. The new 8-speed automatic gearbox, smoother and more efficient for long journeys. A warm premium interior that feels bigger than it is. Smart usable storage in every corner. And signature Deathlefts build quality that gives long-term confidence. Now I want to know what you think. Would you choose this layout, or do you prefer something like a rear bathroom or twin bed design? Tell me your favorite feature of the Globetrail 600DS down in the comments.
I always love hearing your thoughts. Traveling in a campervan isn't just a lifestyle, it's a feeling. And the 2026 Globetrail 600 Decisive Cans captures that feeling beautifully. The freedom to explore, the comfort of home, the smoothness of an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and the luxury of a real shower, anytime, anywhere. If you enjoyed this full tour and want more motorhome and campervan reviews, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.